Hello, I'm Jamie Lee Salgatar, and welcome to This Week in MedIT, your source for medical technology news, brought to you by C&G Technologies. Today, we are at the BioCom 6th Annual Med Device and Diagnostics Expo in San Diego.
BioCom is the regional association for the life sciences industry here in Southern California. We've got 600 members throughout Southern California. Our members are medical device companies, pharmaceutical companies, biotechnology companies, and service providers who work with the industry. So today we're focused on the medical device industry, and we do this event every year to bring our medical device companies out so that we can take a look at the best, most innovative, most interesting medical devices that are being produced by our companies. And we have a little competition, and we've got awards in different categories, so that we can really showcase all these different companies and the work that they're doing here.
Well, it's a fantastic opportunity to be part of the community of innovators that we have in San Diego, and it's always interesting to see somewhat of the new companies and creative companies are doing. So I want to make sure that I keep a hand on the pulse of innovation in the area, and that's what I want to come here, and I was honored to be selected as a judge. So I get the chance to interact with all of the companies and try to pick those that we feel are most innovative.
BioCom's 2012 Med Device and Diagnostic Expo brought together the region's leading medical device and diagnostic innovations with venture capitalists, hospital decision makers, and a host of individuals dedicated to the success of the medtech industry. The expo gave attendees a chance to see what the future holds in the hottest life-saving technologies that exist today in Southern California.
My name is Susie Justice, and we're here today to show at BioCom our devices. So we're in the business of sleep, and we have our latest here in our platform, the S9 platform. This is called ASV Adapt S9. This is our other ventilator that we use, and it's just showing people what we're doing here today in our business community that don't know what ResMed does. If people want to find out more about us, they can go to www.resmed.com.
My name is Patrick Hankey. I am Vice President of Marketing and Business Development for a company called VivoNoetics. And this is VivoNoetics RPM, or VivoNoetics Remote Patient Monitoring. You can see I'm wearing a FDA-approved vital status monitor, which is monitoring my EKG, my breathing rate through this strap, my temperature, my posture. It's also measuring my core temperature, and can also measure my pulse oximetry. As you can see, this is my real-time data output on a smartphone or a tablet. That data is then pushed all the way to the web. That data then eventually resides in our proprietary software platform, which is a product called VivoSense. VivoSense is then a software platform to interrogate data at the level of a clinical trial. If somebody wants to learn more about VivoNoetics, go to vivonoetics.com.
That's it for this edition of This Week in MedIT. Don't forget, if you want to be featured on This Week in MedIT, email us at news@thisweekinmedit.tv. I am Jamie Lee Salgatar. Have a great week.